This is Sophie. Hi. Shopping. Say hi. 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 Ano ka damay? Ha.
So we're going to Kildare Village. We're entering Kildare Village. Parking lot. It's very tight. Very tight. Look. But the driver is really good. Yes, we're here. Welcome to Kildare Village.
I think you're the
Let's go. Bigay mo kay daddy yan. Give it to daddy.
Elay. Elay, give it to daddy.
Yan, saan na tayo punta? Where are we going?
Playground.
Come on, let's see if the playground is open. Let's go.
Yay!
Hindi ka na. Oh, may na.
Hold up this hand.
Maganda yung panginamos nila eh. Toner. 12.
Elay, hold.
50 dapat. 42. 12 na lang eh. Ha? 12 na lang.
12 na lang.
Oh.
Bumili ka?
Oo, yun na. Toner tsaka ano. Come on,
Ayan yung Adidas. Adidas.
Marami naman.
Wala ka.
Masarap na din ako yan. Natin waiting for our lunch. Ito na nga, natulog na, hindi na nakayanan ng bata. Okay, Adele. El, say hi, El. Hindi sila nakapag-playground kasi malakas yung What's your order, El? Wow.
Alright.
Hey, hi. Whatever you want. Okay, what you do it? Hell. Kaso tulog si ano eh. Mahirap pala to. Mataas. Oops. Hirap yung muko. Where are you, El? 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 El, where are you? Paano ka nakakayat doon? Hindi mo kanantay. Nag-i-slide ka ba? Dapa ka. Dapa ka, baligtad. Dapa. Yeah, pag ganun, likod. Yan. Napak ka. Yan. O yan. Yan, sige. Madulas ka, ah. Kaya mo ba? Yan, apak ka dyan, oh. Yan. Nagawa mo na ba dati? Sige, pwede yan. Kaya mo yan. Oh.
Okay, I'll go down here. Whoa, that was easy.
I thought you wanna go to the pool. Is it madulas? Hindi naman. Basa.
It's not actually, but it's hard to do it with a tissue.
Doon ka na, doon. Yun, no? What do you want? Do you wanna swing? Hindi ba maputik? Go, sakay ka na. Kaya mo ba? Kaya mo ano? Bitingin mo na yun para makapaglaro. No? Sleeping ang baby. Ano? Wow! Bye-bye. Nasipon. So, here's the shuttle. We're going home. We're going home, Eli?
It's my idea.
Ay, ka na. Binibidyo ko to. Where are we going? We're going home.
Yeah, we're going.
Say bye.
Bye.
Sa shuttle. Tapos, where are you going? Bus? You say bye.
Bye-bye.
Sorry, man.
It's
Yeah,
another.
you're going
See,
3.
it's square bridge.
Yeah.
The pencil.
Pero ngayon, na-discover ka.
Oo, meron palang
Shuttle.
kapag magpa-parkour, may na-discover ka na meron pala.
Convenient pala.
Hindi mo. So, kung walang train, shuttle ka.
Tapos alam mo na rin, ay, hindi na ba? Papuntang park. Ano yun?
Pumunta sa So, we're going home.
May nakalagay pala, may shuttle ng train.
Train shuttle. Pero yung isa,
Make sure.
it's usually the train shuttle because the first bus is going to the parking. So this is the way to Kildare Village. Ano yan? Playground.
I'm scared of the zip line.
Yeah, it's for adult ate.
Or teenage.
Teenage. The wind is still strong.
At least it's not so strong that the tree falls off.
Last trip na 6.
6 o'clock. So you still have a chance. 5 o'clock pa. Wala eh, umaga ka ngayon. Usually, in-train mo. bukas pa.
Yeah.
Bukas pa yung train.
Yes.
So we're now in the train station. Kildare train station. Bye-bye. Rainbow?
I saw the other one.
Yeah.
I saw the other one.
She bought it first.
Wala na eh. So, we're in Kildare Station and we're going back to Clondalkin. We're going back Zero Balance. Bye. Good thing there's a train now.
Early because
Because it's always closed.